change the oil. Do a little oil change real quick. This is what I use for the oil cooler. I just take a piece of foil and make myself a little ramp with it, sort of like for the oil filter. That way you can shape it to whatever you need. You just make a little ramp just like this. That's all you need, and I'm going to show you how to put that in there so the oil drains down nice and clean. My oil cooler, I have a little flap made for it. Chuck the bowl on here. Just clip off this wire tie that I have to hold it up, to keep it in place. And then a hole, pull it down. Bam! Just like that. I have access. So it's dripping down nice and clean, right into my little pan. That's about how much is in your oil cooler. It's about a good 8-10 ounces. So I know a lot of you with Trackhawks probably take your oil changes at a shop or Jiffy Lube or something like that. And I'm gonna tell you, a lot of places don't know about this oil cooler. One, you have to pull the tray down, the whole under tray down in the front to get to it, unless you have an access hole cut into it where they can get to it. But a lot of places like Jiffy Lube, even the dealerships don't know about it. And if they do, they'll skip it because it's a lot of work to get to this. So good luck. Make sure they change it. I mean, if they don't, you'll never know, but make sure they change this.